Hi Tony, and welcome to the Duhaney Museum. This is his first mixing board, the second, and the one that was in the fire, along with some of the tape machines.
Hi everyone, good morning. It's Travel with Tony, and today I'm going to Duhaney Striker Museum. Somebody just come here for so disgusting here. And it's in Duhaney Park. I'm going with Amir Lewis. He runs a Kingston City tour, so you can check him out on Instagram. I will leave his details in the comments section down below. Duhaney Striker. He was a big Jamaican producer back in the day, right? So he produced some of the greatest, songs of all time, from working with John Holt, Sly and Robbie, Beanie Man. He did some great songs. So follow me on my journey.
Hi Tony, and thanks for making it the Duhaney Museum. We're located here in 17 Burns Avenue, Duhaney Park, Kingston. And so the museum is aimed at preserving the legacy of the unsung heroes and the founding fathers, as well as to teach people how the music was started and developed and exported to the world. Okay, so this is Idler's Rest, and this is where Gregory Isaac and Sugar Minott and John Holt and Dennis Brown would sit and write, among many other greats. Duhaney was a great cricketer, and he was called for the West Indies, but because his mother was a housewife and his dad was a shoemaker, being that he was the older one, he had to go and work odd jobs. These are some of his monumental suits. So if you were to Google him, you'd see these suits that he collect various awards in. He was an ambassador to Clark's, was an ambassador to Puma. So a man with many hats, known mostly for his signature hat, the sailor captain hat. Like I said, odd jobs. So he was an electrician, a mechanic, a police, and then this was his home that's still there today. This was 1941. This is Greenwich Pen, now Greenwich Farm. Alright, so we go up the stairs. Watch your head, watch your step. So these suits here are worn by the greats. So you have Delroy Wilson, you have John Holt, Gregory Isaacs, and Crown Prince of Reggae Dennis Brown. Here we have a suit, a jacket from U-Roy, his first tour to Africa. U-Roy was big in Africa, so this was the jacket that he wore on his tour to Africa. So in here we have a few of Duhaney's accolades, and he was instrumental in creating the industry in the European market. So this book was his address book, and all of the greats, Eric Clapton, Mick Jagger, Bob Marley, Peter Tosh, all of them would be in that address book. This is his Order of Distinction, which is the 5th highest honor given by our government. They dubbed his book the Reggae Bible in Europe, because it speaks of all the unsung heroes. He was the police that killed Jimmy Cliff In the Harder They Come, his documentary, and BBC also did a documentary on him. So this is a picture collage that shows his personality. He was a very jovial man, and you know, a lot of important people are also on the wall that he has done work with. If you don't know, Bunny Lee gave a overview, you know, a short synopsis of who he is. And this is the mic, the last mic that Dennis Brown sung on, because he was doing an album for Bunny before he passed. And 15, we had a fire. So this is what we had salvaged from the fire. So this is what the studio would have looked like. This is his first mixing board, the second, and the one that was in the fire, along with some of the tape machines. And Bunny Lee has the biggest reggae catalog, the first reggae song. So he has many firsts. And out here we give just a brief look at some of his album covers.
This is a lot.
That's a few. A
few? Oh, wow. I didn't know that about him. I know that he had so many albums.
That's a few. Trust me. Over 11,000 tracks.
Wow.
So, in every room, we have a video that tells the different stories of the musicians, the different studios, and all the founding fathers that played or contributed to the music. And here, of course, we have the bust of the man himself, the Gorgon. So, my dad had a shop on Orange Street, 101 Orange Street. So we tried to recreate it. So this is where we sell our merchandise. So,
you can tell me a little bit about the merchandise that you have. I mean, your purpose, where you can get them.
Right. We have a t-shirt line. You know, this is just a few of the designs. We have his book on sale, the Reggae Bible they call it. It's documentary. Few of his CDs. We're still waiting on the rest to come with some 45, some vinyl and so forth. So this is our shop where you can purchase, you know, t-shirts and so forth. Okay, so I'll take it on memory lane now. Everything that was happening in the late 60s, throughout the 70s into the 80s. This basically shows you what was happening, you know, when you move from soul brother to soul rebel, you know, dreadlocks, natty up them here and all of that. Of course, we have to talk about Miss Lou and, you know, the aggravators and everything that was happening at the time. Like I said, the whole Castro, Manley, Seago, JBC, here in Jamaica, Police and Babylon. Here's a figure in the music that nobody really talks about or give him the just due. Big Youth, very important man in our music, and you know, should get more credit for what he has done. And of course, where reggae came from the word striggy, which would be a loose girl. So, you know, of course, I'm have to call it reggae because the word striggy was so bad. And here is a picture of Bunny and King Tubby's creating dub music. with John Holt, of course. So this was what it was like working in the studio with them. You know, we have to big up Bob, Uncle Bob, and of course what was happening on the streets with the drunk Obati, our White Room. Big up Red Stripe. And that concludes our tour. So our tour company gonna be providing different location, and our tour company will be called the Gargan Regalan Tour. So I'm standing in front of the Black Ark studio. This is where Lee Perry's home and his studio Black Ark was. Bob Marley did live here and all of that as well. So look out for the Gargan Regalan Tour coming. That's our tour company. And yeah.
Alright, so I just had an amazing interview with Striker Jr. and I'm heading to Randy's record shop, which is now known as VP Records. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to preserve the Jamaican music culture. You know, we need to document these things, right? And so very important to me because I love my country and I love Jamaican music. So I'm gonna be, you know, touring that record shop. So I'll see you in a few. All right.
So we're standing in the great Randy's
museum.
Good.
17 North Parade upstairs, you know. Where the vinyl stays alive.
It used to be downstairs, so this is the original
studio.
Studio.
It's a studio.
So you record a lot of music here.
Yeah, man. Back in the days.
Back in the days.
Yeah.
When was it started? The studio.
But in the 60s.
Yeah, in the 60s.
Early 60s.
Early 60s. And I see you have, what is that, a press?
No, that's a dub machine.
Oh, dub machine.
Yeah.
What does that do?
It cut the masters for the records.
Oh, okay. Show me. I mean, I know it probably not. It work or?
No, it's not working.
But show me like how it would that do.
It's a cut a dub plate. You know, that's a dub plate, but it's the master. Yeah. The master. This. They make and this come off it. They put it in a bath and plate it and get this. And this press the records. You get to the pressing plant and they press the record with this.
Okay.
A and B side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the press we get talk about so that with them do the master.
Press you something
Okay.
So do the masters first and then you go cut it.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about this setup because I'm trying to get into the whole vinyl system.
Yeah, man.
I know you have the amplifier.
This is the amplifier.
Tell me a little bit about it now.
Yeah, man, this is the amplifier and this is a tuner. And this is the mixer. So everything got through this and going to the amplifier.
And you set up the amplifier with the bass and sound.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And this machine here now, all of them, is the original machine from back in the day.
What do you use these machines for?
Record the voice on it.
Oh.
This is a earlier one. These now are the original one from back in the 60s. 2-track. 2-track. They have the 4-track. They have the 8-track.
I don't know what that means, but okay. Me young, you know, me young. Me green. 2-track.
Well, the different tracks is where they use. So
like track 1, track.
Right, so you do vocals on one, you do drum and bass, and another one, horn.
Oh, so each instrument have a different track.
Right.
Back in the days, they only used to use 1 track.
Oh.
And everybody record 1 time. If it spoil, them have to do it over again. But now they put it to 2. So rhythm on 1 track, voice on the next track.
Correct.
Then go to the next 4 track now. So you have you can put in other instruments. Then you go to 8 and you go to the 16. So you have all kind of tracks. You want dub in anything, add in any more track?
Okay.
Yeah, man, and this is the original machine I play. Who's Mr. Brown coming through town?
Which one? This piano?
Yeah. Bob Marley sing.
Oh.
Glenn Adams played.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
That's the creep organ.
Yeah, man. John Crosskang.
Right. That's what John Crosskang created.
You know that? You don't know this?
Yeah, man.
Oh. Yeah, man.
So
this is the A track.
Better Must Come. Delroy Wilson. It's on that organ as well.
Yeah, man. Most of them. Back in the
Bob
day.
Marley, Duppy Conqueror.
Yeah, man.
So that little creep organ is truly out of phase.
Yeah, out of
phase. That John Crosskang.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Sound.
Burning Spear record this album appearing.
What? I love Burning. I love that album. Yeah.
Anything you say with Marcus Garvey is up here, Burning Spear singing.
Okay.
Peter Touch record, Legalize that album up here.
Peter used to work for
Randy?
And as he was a musician as well.
And then play the harmonica good, you know. We think of Augustus Pablo.
Right.
But Peter Touch played.
Wow.
Sun is shining. Ba ba da ba ba. Peter that.
Interesting.
Yeah, man. Lot of artists record up here. Lord Creator used to base here. And Stranger Cole, Dennis Brown, Greg Riser,
Jimmy London,
you know, Jimmy London, Rockin' Ass. You name them.
This was home base, homegrown.
The corner out there, so you see, they used to call it Eyeglass Rest. Bonnie Lee name it Eyeglass Rest. Striker name it Eyeglass Rest. So any artist or any musician you want, you can find them there. They come in the morning and then don't leave till night. So the last man leaving or the second to last get the man and say, hold the key, lock up the Eyeglass Rest. You understand? So them come every day, any artist you want, any musician. Well, the studio is popular, you know. Studio was a very popular studio.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So everybody's Studio 17. See the sign, it's Studio 17. Randy 17, Studio 17. Yeah, man.
Nice.
And Carl, you have to make her know, you know, because you have to play a very important part of the whole thing, you know. So you have to talk about yourself too.
Yeah, man. I am in Rockers too, you know, the movie.
Oh, I know. I heard about that movie.
Yeah, you must look at it. From 1978. I was here from I was going to school. When I was downstairs, the shop used to be downstairs. Yeah, Randy, when every Saturday and Friday, you can't get space to come in here because everybody want to come from to buy records. Records used to be the king. That time, them think about CD. Them used to have a thing named 8-track machine in them car. Something like this is the 8-track machine. The 8-track. They must put in them car. And then the cassette take it over. And then now CD come in. CD. And then you have thumb drive and technology just improve and improve. Yeah?
Tell me something, do you think that vinyls have the highest quality sound when you look on it?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Tell me I play the vinyl different from the CD. You can hear the bass line. You can feel the vibes in it. You get different vibes. Yeah, man. You get different vibes, man. That's why they might try bring back the vinyl in Europe.
I know a lot of young people listening to them too.
Yeah, man.
They are more full of sound.
Yeah. No, man. No, you can't speak, man. It get more full of sound. The vinyl.
Yeah, man. Kind of light.
Yeah.
The vinyl get full.
The vinyl make you feel a bit. Boom, boom.
Yeah. Love that.
Yeah, man. The heartbeat.
The heartbeat.
The heartbeat of music is the vinyl.
Okay.
That's why we try to keep the vinyl alive.
Awesome.
But they don't press no vinyl in Jamaica again. I don't know what's going on.
So tough gangster try to press
them press them own material.
Press them own material.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright. So if you want vinyls to come and purchase here, you can?
Yeah, man. We'll sell the vinyls.
Let me see if you have the 45s. I know a little bit.
Yeah, man, 45. Yeah.
These are the 45s. You have the 12.
That's 12 big. Is that big like an album?
What you want, what you look for? Cause see, Final car, 45.
I'm looking for a particular one, but it's so hard to get because they don't press them anymore.
Which one?
It's an Alton Ellis, the 25th Jubilee.
Oh, that's an album. That's a, yeah.
They don't have that
No.
one. Oh, you wouldn't have
You
it.
can't get it in England.
Yeah, me not go England. Bye.
But it's there.
Yeah, it's like, yeah, that's the one I've always wanted.
Yeah, man.
So don't forget it for your Christmas then, right?
Yeah. So what do you have here? Just tell me a little bit of the stuff them that you have.
We have
Like if I want to come and purchase, what do you have here?
we have all different kind from Max Room right up.
Remember, you know, Randy's became VP, you know?
Yeah.
So you name it,
Them have it.
right? So these are the museums.
Yeah,
So,
man.
you know, Carl have these here, but if you want something, him can source it and give it to you. But at the nowadays price.
Yeah, man.
But this is where the visitors come to see,
man.
and this is where them want the original, because these are original press. Original.
Them the one the repress.
No, them no on the reissue.
The repress not as
But
heavy as the original. All right, the 45.
45 RPM.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, so you play faster. So the LP stand for long play. So you put it on, if you come closer, so when you have on your 45, you put it on 45, so you play faster. So the 33 now is for long play. The albums,
33 have on more songs on it too.
right, so it's,
Like it have on
played-
12 songs, 6 on one side, 6 on the other side.
Right, so you know, you want him get the original deal.
Yeah, man, that's the mixing board. The original mixing board. All the device them go through. When they record it on the tape, them use it and mix them down. I try Pro Chair Rockers.
So this is the Levi's in a book.
Yeah, man.
Wow, Levi's vintage. Wow.
Yeah. Them dress up the man, the actors them like back in the days when Rockers days. If you go through it, you can see the picture of them. Yeah, man, see this through there. How them do it, make it look. Inside here, listen.
Wow.
Yeah. And make it look like way back in the days.
Wow.
The dub machine, the drum room was over there, and this is the dub machine, Scully, the original Scully dub machine. Yeah, man.
Right, so that cut the stamper.
Cut the stamper,
Right.
yeah. And you cut dub on it too.
Right.
Yeah.
And then this is a 8-track board, so that's important as well. Right?
Yeah.
So it's a 8-track. See, those are the meters for the track.
Yeah, man.
So as he said, the original control room will be around there.
Yeah.
So this is where the artists and the musicians would play, and the bass. Sorry, the drum room is around there. And then around that side, downstairs, and this side was the old record
Yeah,
shop.
man, what Randy's.
Right,
When you look at the movie Rockers, you will see Bongo Man dancing.
right. So it's a one-stop shop. Everybody come
The
here.
package you get. You know?
Everybody come here. So Carl, as you know, big up yourself, because you're a legend in the team.
Yeah, no?
You understand?
Yeah, man.
Carl,
Yeah, man.
your last name.
Lada.
Right.
Yeah, so.
Right. I even them met the car.
No.
Oh, ladder. Oh.
No, that it don't spell that. It's spelled L-A-U-D-E-R.
Yeah, no,
Trouble with it. Alright.
Right. That's
So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do subscribe for all your Jamaican content. Until next time, see you soon.